Look, severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for areas west of the Metroplex. Fort Worth, you're not included. Dallas, you're not included. Same thing with Denton. You got to go into areas like Parker County, Young County, Jack County, Palo Pinto County, Hood County. That's where the severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Could be golf ball size hail, winds up to 70 miles per hour in the strongest thunderstorms in this area. And that's what we're watching. So Metroplex is quiet, and it will be over the next few hours. You see some thunderstorms already erupting. These are not severe, but we do have some heavy rain falling from Graham over down to Breckenridge too. So some thunderstorms here, much needed rain. Watching a little thunderstorm approaching Strawn. Shout out Mary's Cafe, if you know, you know. There's the thunderstorm there. Big thunderstorm near Brownwood. This one has the potential for baseball size hail. Now we don't expect that type of intensity in North Texas, but as the thunderstorms move east, they will weaken and they could provide some hail for some areas. So here are our clusters of thunderstorms that we're watching. As we go through time here, this is 11 p.m. There's where the thunderstorms are at 11. Watch as we get into midnight. Decatur, Mineral Wells, and entering Parker County at this point, down through Meridian and Hamilton. There's 1 o'clock in the morning. So Dallas, Fort Worth area, so between midnight and 1 a.m., entering Fort Worth and Denton. Little Elm and Frisco around 2 o'clock in the morning. Some thunderstorms in Dallas. It's likely that these will have weakened to what we call sub-severe levels or below severe limits. So there may be some small hail and gusty winds, but it seems rather unlikely that these would be severe in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Again, I'm going to keep watching it as we go through tonight. There are your thunderstorms at 3 a.m., Bonham and Paris. And then it's gone. 7 o'clock in the morning, we're dry, so the commute won't feature chaos with rain. We'll be okay, but as we get into the afternoon Monday, another round of thunderstorms is possible. This one, more isolated in nature. As we get into the late afternoon and evening, you'll see just some thunderstorms, especially northeast of Dallas. There may be some pop-ups in the Metroplex late afternoon and evening. This is just a model. I say it all the time. Not the gospel. It doesn't exactly tell you what's going to happen at every time, every single place on the map. Just gives you a general idea. There may be some pop-up thunderstorms along that dry line tomorrow afternoon into the evening. And if one does pop up, and it would be 1 or 2, it could drop some hail up to the size of quarters, maybe some 60-mile-an-hour winds. Level 1 marginal risk for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We take a break Tuesday, but then Wednesday, it's a level 3 enhanced risk. We have a pretty unsettled pattern here across the area. Level 3 across the Red River counties. Level 2 for the Metroplex Wednesday afternoon and evening. Thursday, a cold front comes in. That will kind of clear things out. But before it does, another chance to see some severe weather on Thursday. So pretty unsettled. Great time to download the WFAA app. Follow us on social media. We'll have all the updates as we go through the week. So some storms tonight, possibly severe, 69 tonight, tomorrow 85. Late day thunderstorms, afternoon and evening, maybe a couple of strong thunderstorms. There's your 10-day forecast. Cinco de Mayo, that's Thursday. That front will clear things out by the afternoon, so it should be dry, 82. Warming up for the weekend, dry too, 90 on Saturday, 92 on Sunday.